let me go in the room.
Hey YouTube, I'm going to etch this axe head. I've got my designs in there, I've got some ferric chloride, I've got my baking soda to dissolve or to nullify the acid solution. When it's done, I'm going to give it about 10 or 15 minutes, and I'm going to check it. Fill that up. And I'll be back in about 10 or 15 minutes. Give her a little more time. It's about 15 minutes. I'm going to give it a check. I want a really deep etch. So, I mean, it's good after about 10-15 minutes, but I want this one to be a really deep etch to last for years. So, I'm probably going to go for half hour to 45 minutes.
You weren't breathing.
No salt and vinegar chips.